This review is for automated espresso machine. It's been almost 3 years I've been using this machine and it is performing well. You can choose a lot of different options: espresso, double espresso, americano, and many others. And you can see here you can have a bunch of different options. It performs really well. You can have whole beans coffee here. You can put here. It's a large bin. You can put a lot of coffee, and here it shows you an instruction for this knob. If you want your coffee fine or coarse, you can turn this knob and change the settings. And this side has a water. You can take this out. As you can see, it is kind of large. You don't have to refill constantly. It is good. Once you need to refill, you will hear this beeping sound and you know that you are out of water. So here, this one, if you select latte or cappuccino, or you just want to get some hot milk, this can provide that. It will generate nice foam, like foamy, like thick layers of nice milk. So if you want to get something like thin, you can change this knob and change the intensity. So it has like some menu option that you can change the settings. Let's say Brewing service menu. We can go to service menu. The password is 123456. Then you will have this menu. Then you can come up here, beverage setting, and you can change like how much coffee you want. It shows display as milliliter. Like this will produce 40 milliliter coffee. You can increase or decrease it, and you can also change the strength of the coffee. And you can go back, and you can also have some like temperature settings and bunch of other things. So let's do double espresso. As you can see, it just made espresso. Each time it just freshly grinds. So here, let's say you have the settings set to 40 ml, but you want to get more coffee, like not too strong. You can hit this button. It will just change the settings and it will produce more coffee. But you can see the color will change to very light. It means like you're not really getting strong coffee. So you can play with it and change, but you can look at this texture here. It looks beautiful, even though I just add a lot of water, almost double the amount for the second shot. That's when you finish, you can just see nice foam on top. It is delicious. This makes delicious coffee. You will never go to Dunkin' Donuts or 7-Eleven or Starbucks again. I've been using this almost 3 years and it changed completely my coffee taste. If you are looking for something useful, you go for this. And you don't have to just deal with the pulp every time, right? So that's the main issue when you make espresso. Here this machine is handling that by itself. So once it's done, you will see here it just dumps the it might be too hot, but you see it's just dumps it here, and it can take, I believe, around 8 to 10 coffee grounds there. And let me show you this side, and this side it's time for me to clean as well. You can take this out and just get it clean, do whatever has to be done. It is really nice, good machine. I definitely love it.